Hi friends, welcome to SVSA. Now in this video I am going to tell you about how to calculate percentage in some particular case. For suppose when we go to a shop and bought an article for 80 rupees and the shop owner came to us and told that 20% discount will be there on that particular article, then how much we should have to pay to the shop owner? Then it is very easy. Directly 20% of 80 means 2 into 8, that is equal to 16. 80 minus 16, 64. We should have to pay, instead of 80 rupees, 64 rupees to the shop owner. How we should have to do this? Now I will show you on the board. Let us see. That is 20% of 80 rupees. 20% of 80 rupees means, percentage means for 100. That is 20 by 100 into, of means into 80. This 0 and this 0 cancel. And then in the numerator there are 2 into 8, that is equal to 16. 20% of 80 is 16 rupees. We should have to deduct this 16 rupees from 80. It means subtract this 16 rupees from 80. 80 minus 16 means that is equal to 64. We should have to pay 64 rupees to the shop owner. Instead of doing all these things, directly 20% of 80 means to do directly that 2 into 8, 16. To subtract this 16 from 80 and we will get the final answer. Similarly, we apply the same rule for all those numbers who have 0 in their ones place. It means 20% of 50 is equal to 30% of 80 is equal to 50% of 20 is equal to how much means it is also same. 20% of 50 means 2 5 ja 10, 50 minus 10, 40. This is the final answer. 30% of 80 means 3 into 8, 24. 80 minus 24, 56. And similarly, 50% of 20 means 5 into 2, 10. 20 minus 10, 10. Like this, we can solve all these problems. Condition is both numbers have 0 in ones place. If you like this method, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.